Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at another wireless microphone. This is the Green Lion wireless microphone. And if you know me, I'm always in the market for a very good wireless microphone. These microphones are invaluable to a content creator. And in this video, we're going to be unboxing. If you've never heard of the brand Green Lion, just think of it like they're on the level of Oraimo basically. Yeah, so they have several products, and this is actually the first Green Lion product I'm going to be reviewing on this channel, so stick around and find out if it's actually any good. So let's jump straight to the unboxing.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful, where you feel life gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder. You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful, where you feel life gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful, where you feel life gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one.
So I have to shout because this is a video without any microphone. This is using just my phone's microphone. The phone is a Samsung Galaxy S20, and this is just the microphone of the phone. So I'm going to try the wireless microphone right now, and then we will see and compare the difference to see if it's actually better, if it's clear. I will try with the windbreakers and without the windbreakers. So let's see how that's gonna be. Yo, so this is the second microphone. This is without any settings. So I had to record. So normally I do this recording with my phone because I tried to do the wireless microphone or the wireless mic test with my phone, but for some reason the USB port did not recognize my phone, or my phone did not recognize that this was a microphone. But thankfully it worked on my computer, my PC. So this is what the microphone sounds like. I did an initial recording with the microphone before and after with just my phone's mic, but that did not that didn't work, so I couldn't do a comparison right there. But this is what the microphone sounds like. So this is like the filter. I'm going to remove it to see if there's any difference, because there's a fan like pointing to me right now, so I'm going to see if it actually changes anything. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, the fan is directly on me now. Does it sound different? Can you hear any sound from the fan or any muffled noise or anything? Yeah. Let me put this back. Um, yeah. So yeah, one thing I like about the mic is the length of the clip. The length of the clip is actually really long, so it wouldn't fall out once you clip it in. Yeah, so it actually wouldn't fall out very easily. So you could walk around, you could run, do a jogging vlog or anything, and you're good. One thing I would say I don't like, which I just noticed, was that it's not working on my phone. Why is it not working on my phone? I know I've tried it on my wife's iPhone and it actually worked, but on my Samsung, the USB-C is not working. So I probably need to try it on another, Android phone that is also USB-C, or maybe an iPhone that actually has a USB-C, and see if it actually works. But for now, the verdict is it works on an iPhone, does not work on an Android, but it also works on a PC with a USB-C connection as well. So, yeah, so I'm not sure I can fully recommend this. I did a video of another wireless mic. I can fully recommend that one because, I really like the casing of that one. There were no issues. It worked on the iPhone, worked on my phone, worked on PC, and there were no issues. So this one did not work on my phone, so that's the only drawback. But like I said, for this one, I like the case. I like the fact that you can charge it with the case. You could also, like, the clip is long, and it also comes with this wind filter, so you don't have to be scared where you're recording, whether it's windy outside, whether you have a fan pointing directly at you. You could record anywhere. One of the cons that I feel like I mentioned or I glossed over earlier is the fact that when you bring it out of the case, you have to put it on. You have to put on the receiver, you have to put on the microphone. Like, you can't just connect the receiver to the phone and it comes on, because other wireless microphones that I've used, that's how it is. So the moment you bring it out, you connect the receiver to the phone, it is on. The moment you bring out the microphone from the case, it is on, and they pair, and you're good to go. So this extra step that you have to put it on first, both the mic and the receiver, you can easily forget. And if you forget, you might just go a whole episode, 30 minutes of recording, and not know that you did not record anything. Yeah, so that's not good, especially as a content creator. So that's an extra check you have to have in your mind every time you're using this mic. Oh, whenever I bring this out, I have to put it on, I have to put it on. Yeah, put on the receiver, put on the mic. So that's an extra check. Although it does have a light, this light, let me bring it out and show you. So there's a light here that turns purple. Let me remove this. I don't know if you can see. So yeah, it turns purple when it's actually connected to the receiver. So that indicator is good. So you can also just use that as a check. Look at the light. Oh, if it's purple, it's connected. If it's off, it's not on. And if it's not, or if it's blinking, it means that it hasn't connected to the receiver. So those are like the checks that you can do. But yeah, so far, now the receiver is behind my PC. My PC is way over on the floor. So I'm hoping there's no like intermission and the audio is actually crisp. And I don't have any settings on my laptop that will modify the audio. So this is just raw audio from the microphone, and my background is quite noisy. There's a TV on, there's a fan on, and I don't know if it's doing a good job filtering. So I'll watch this video back and see how it is. But you watching right now, let me know what you think about this microphone in the comment section. Are you thinking about getting it? If you're thinking about getting it, I'll leave a link below. And yeah, so the microphone was quite affordable. I'll say it was around 30k. I think that's the prices of budget wireless microphones right now. If you see anything below 30k, I'll say you should run. So 30k is like the standard for like the good entry level wireless microphones that you don't have to charge outside of the box. They come with actual charging cases, and that's actually what you need. So I would recommend getting those type of wireless microphones. I recommend the other one that I did. So I did videos like a month ago. So go watch that video and go get that mic. I would prefer that over this. So if that's not available, then you can come and get this one. Yeah, so that's my table of preference, or my order of preference of how I would recommend this. Yeah. So thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and yeah, I will see you in the next video.